Jobber is built around fast scheduling and customer management, while Kickserv is built around simpler field service tracking with a more lightweight setup, which makes the feature differences feel obvious once you start using both. By the end of this, you'll know how Jobber and Kickserv compare feature by feature, where each one is stronger, and which platform fits your service business depending on how complex your workflow is. Jobber is designed as an all-in-one field service system. It brings together scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing, and customer communication in one place. The main idea is to reduce the number of tools you need so office work stays centralized and quick. Kickserv focuses on keeping field service management simple and accessible. It covers scheduling, job tracking, estimates, and invoicing, but the overall structure is lighter, which makes it easier for small teams to get started without a steep learning curve. The biggest difference shows up in workflow depth. Jobber builds more structure into each job. You can manage detailed client communication, track job stages more clearly, and automate parts of the customer follow-up process. That makes it feel more complete for growing service businesses that handle a steady flow of jobs every day. Kickserv keeps things more straightforward. Jobs are easier to create and manage quickly, but there's less built-in automation and fewer layers of workflow control. That can actually help smaller teams that don't want complexity, but it becomes limiting as operations scale. Scheduling is another clear split. Jobber uses a more advanced dispatch-style calendar, where you can assign jobs, optimize routes, and manage multiple technicians in a structured way. Kickserv's scheduling is simpler and more manual, which works fine for smaller crews, but doesn't offer as much control when managing busy days or multiple job sites. On the feature side, Jobber tends to offer more depth in customer communication and follow-ups. It helps businesses stay organized across multiple touchpoints with clients. Kickserv focuses more on core functionality without adding as many layers around it. For small service businesses that want something quick to set up and easy to manage, Kickserv can feel more lightweight and direct. For growing companies that need stronger scheduling control, better customer tracking, and more automation across jobs, Jobber usually delivers more functionality overall. The key difference is complexity versus capability. Kickserv keeps things simple and easy to run. Jobber expands into a full operational system that supports more moving parts. To decide, look at how your business operates day to day. If you're handling a small team and want basic job tracking without extra setup, Kickserv fits that style. If you're managing multiple technicians, frequent scheduling changes, and ongoing customer communication, Jobber gives you more control over those workflows. A simple next step is to map out your busiest workday and list how many steps are involved from booking to invoicing. The platform that reduces those steps the most is usually the better fit. If this comparison helped clear things up, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward breakdowns of field service software.